Hi guys, this is just a quick how-to on my YouTube video of how to use the 3D stampers that are available online at Incandescent Shine. I am just going in with a cover pink called Naked Indulgence, and it is very beautiful. So I'm doing as I would on a natural nail, and then you've just got to wait for it to set. Patience is the key with these guys. You need it to take the mould but not stick to the mould, so like you don't want it to leave a fingerprint, and then you just press your stamper in and it leaves a beautiful impression. And then you work with your acrylic quite wet, so you just flood the design pretty much like you would do with lace stamping, but this has got 196 different stamps available across the range. And you just flood it, press it in, make sure it's all in there and there's no bubbles, and then it's just waiting to file it. Obviously I've sped it up because you don't want to sit and wait for me to watch the acrylic dry. So I'm now just giving it a quick buff, just literally to file away the excess from the top and around, which it's like filing a smile line. You've got to be patient and reveal your design underneath. But these are really, really great for if you're not good at freehand, but you want just a little quick, simple salon design. They go, oh, can I have this? And you just press it into the wet acrylic, flood it, buff it, and beautiful in seconds. So I'm just going over with a white block, just because I do. And I'm using my tack-free top gloss, which is amazing and stays very, very shiny. Then into your lamp for 60 seconds, and there you go. Beautiful. Thank you. Bye.